Competition versus collaboration. In this today's day-to-day life, we are just competing with each other, but forgetting the true values are ourselves. And the collaboration, this word is don't exist in our dictionary. So hi everyone, my name is Anna Hamulani. I'm an art coach and also artist and also a speaker. हमें बचपन से यही सिखाया जाता है कि हमें कंपटीशन करना है लोगों से. कोलैबोरेशन का कभी सिखाया ही नहीं स्कूल में. So that's why we don't know about collaboration. Collaboration क्या होता है? So let's us understand in this today's video we are going to learn about competition versus collaboration. So this is the podcast number 5. So जैसे हम जर्नी में स्टार्ट करते हैं ना आर्ट जर्नी as we go started going on and on and on we realize that some point of time we come and get exhausted. हमने सब कुछ कर लिया है but then do we get exhausted what to do next we have that thought. Now that's the time for the good competition, healthy competition and healthy collaboration. हमें स्कूल में बचपन से सिखाया गया है कंपटीशन एज अ गुड थिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ व्हेन यू आर कॉम्पिटिंग विद अदर्स. बट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर समथिंग अबाउट हेल्दी competition with yourself. Yes, that's true, my friend. Competition is good when you're doing it with yourself. That is your yesterday self. And collaboration is must if you want to grow faster and want to stay longer in your journey. Extraordinary people, extraordinary जो artists होते हैं, they always think about collaboration, combining together. And those who are ordinary artists, they always think about competition with others, not with themselves but with others. So this is the main thing, or this is a big message to all the artists, those who have just started your journey. There is a competition in the world. Yes, it is there. लेकिन कंपटीशन आपको खुद के साथ करना है ना कि बाकियों के साथ. ऑलवेज फोकस ऑन कोलैबोरेशन. नाउ हाउ टू डू कंपटीशन विद माई सेल्फ. ओके, एवरीवन हैव 24 hours. यू ऑल्सो हैव द सेम. आपको वही टाइम मिलता है. एवरी डे एट द एंड ऑफ अ डे you take a plain paper or you make a book for it every day to mark it up. Write it down what have things you have done really good, what you have think you have not done. कभी कभी होता है ना हमने जो कुछ नहीं किया होता है, हमने जो किया जो कुछ नहीं किया होता. And what are the things I could do better or good? So these 3 things you write it down and reflect. Every day at night you reflect on these things. So now you can see a little bit 1%, at least 1% improvement within yourself. Taking action and completing things faster. So that's the reason I want you all to reflect. That is the competition. You do competition with yourself. Ask this the question. Compete with yourself every day. That is healthy competition. So why to do collaboration? I know आपके दिमाग में सब मालूम होगा collaboration क्यों करना है. Do collaboration, healthy collaboration to stay longer. You will get networking. आपको networking भी हो जाएगा. आपको ज़्यादा लोग जानने पड़ेंगे अगर if you are connecting with another artist, their community students also going to know you. Your community also doing. Your personal brand increases. Your collaboration. Even they can ask you to come be the guest. And there is a lot more opportunity in being in a collaboration. You have to understand. It's nothing about competition. It's about collaboration. And that's what I learned from my mentors. They always love to do collaboration. So in this video, I'm not going to share lot more stuff to do it. But yes, there is a little bit things what I'm going to. It is really crisp, clear and to the point podcast. I hope you have learned so many things in this video. So I want you to list down what are the learnings from this video you have got it and comment down below this video. I'll really love to learn it. And what is the things that you want to learn? Comment down below. I will really love to create this video for you. Okay, so see you in the next video. And yes, in the next podcast video we are going to go with what is the ordinary artist and what is the extraordinary artist. So ये दोनों में फर्क क्या होता है and what is the spark of both the things you are going to explore in the next upcoming video. So let's go ahead and see you in the next upcoming video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this with your friends and also click on subscribe button and the bell icon.